Oh, it's so funny. So funny. Oh, I'm not allowed to sit on here.
Access denied.
Okay, I'm getting off. Jeez.
Don't worry.
Jeez already. Oh, I'm not even allowed to lean on it.
Nope. That's where all of his toys go.
No girls allowed, hey? He's jumping. When you're a bit bigger, I dare you to try and sit on there, okay? I'll pay you $5.
You turn around for the camera. No, the baby.
Oh. Say hi to Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, yeah. 5 weeks old today. And even more hair. Hi, Daddy. This will be rough. You'll be able to matching when you're his size. What was that? I'm talking to Daddy. Say something.
She's got Ari rolling in the background.
Say something. La la la.
What did you say, baby? Huh? Pretty strong neck you got there.
Did you say something? Alright, go jump, 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 jump.
Jump, Ari. Jump, 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 jump.
Oh, hey!
Whoa.
Wow, that was